completed with the design of query for stock in, stock out and final stock. Now it comes a part to create the report. In order to create a report, it's a very simple. We just go to create one of the query and we just go to create and go to the report. Our report is already created for this and we can save it. So I just want to save it as a stock in report. So I save it. Similarly for stock out, I just save it as a stock out report, and for stock final stock I will save it as a final stock report. You can create the report by your own design also, so it is on your will, but right now I am just giving you how to create a report. So I just explain you that we can create it by just clicking the create. So for final stock also I just go to create and to the report, and I will create the report design here. I just want it to minimize this thing, but you can definitely design by your own. I just explained you that on clicking report you get blank report, report wizards, labels and report design. So we are not discussing report in more detail here. So I just created 3 report: final, stock in and stock out report. So in this way we have completed with the design of report. In next video we will discuss that how we can integrate all this thing in a single form.